Captions AI versus HeyGen. Which AI video tool is better? Choosing the right AI video tool can transform your content creation speed and quality without complex editing. Captions AI focuses on automated subtitles, while HeyGen offers AI-generated avatars and video synthesis. Captions AI and HeyGen are both powerful AI video tools, but their core difference lies in purpose. Captions AI specializes in generating accurate captions and subtitles, while HeyGen creates realistic AI avatars and full video synthesis for dynamic visual storytelling. Captions AI is an advanced tool designed to automate the creation of subtitles and captions for videos. It works by analyzing audio tracks and applying AI-powered speech recognition to generate precise text overlays. This process significantly reduces manual transcription time and enhances accessibility. Captions AI supports multiple languages and offers customizable styling options to match video branding. Its strengths lie in accuracy, speed, and ease of integration with existing video workflows, making it ideal for content creators, educators, and marketers who need reliable captions without extensive editing. However, Captions AI focuses solely on text-based enhancements and does not generate video content or avatars. Users looking for dynamic visual elements or AI-driven video creation may find its capabilities limited. HeyGen is an AI video tool that specializes in creating realistic AI avatars and full video synthesis. It uses deep learning models to generate human-like avatars that can speak and express emotions, enabling users to produce engaging video content without cameras or actors. HeyGen's platform allows for script input, avatar customization, and multilingual support, making it suitable for marketing, training, and personalized communication. Its strengths include high-quality avatar rendering, natural speech synthesis, and flexibility in video creation. However, HeyGen requires more creative input and may have a steeper learning curve compared to captioning tools. It is best suited for users who want to produce dynamic video presentations or virtual spokespersons rather than just subtitle generation. Comparing Captions AI and HeyGen highlights distinct use cases. Captions AI excels when quick, accurate subtitles are needed to improve video accessibility and engagement, especially for educational or marketing videos where spoken content must be clearly understood. HeyGen shines in scenarios demanding visual storytelling through AI avatars, such as virtual training or personalized video messages. The trade-off is between text-focused automation and full video synthesis. Captions AI is simpler and faster for captioning tasks, while HeyGen offers more creative freedom but requires more setup. Choosing depends on whether your priority is enhancing existing video content with captions or generating entirely new AI-driven video presentations. Choose Captions AI if your main goal is fast, accurate subtitle generation to boost video accessibility and viewer comprehension without complex video production. Opt for HeyGen when you need dynamic AI avatars and full video synthesis for engaging, personalized content. It's perfect for marketers and educators aiming to create immersive videos without traditional filming. Both tools excel in their domains, so select based on your content creation needs.